This video introduces the WebFOCUS Hub, which provides navigation to all areas of TIBCO WebFOCUS, serving as a unified tool for authoring and administration. When you sign into TIBCO WebFOCUS, the Hub opens with the home area displayed by default. This area provides quick access to recent items, your private content, your favorites, and all the items that were shared with you by other users. Each of these views can be shown in a list or tile view. In a list, you can choose the number and type of columns that you want to display for each view. For example, for the Shared with Me view, you might want to display the owner column to see who shared content with you at a glance. In the My Workspace view, you may benefit from the Workspace column to quickly see where in a repository your private content resides. Notice that the Recently Worked On and Favorites views feature two tabs, Content and Data. Under the Content tab, you can see items from the client side of WebFOCUS. The Data tab displays items from the reporting server. The navigation pane on the left side of the Hub takes you to other areas of WebFOCUS, such as Workspaces, Application Directories, Portals, and Management Center. The Workspaces area provides access to the content that you and other users in your organization created. This content is organized into workspaces and folders. There are a few ways to navigate the files in the Workspaces area. You can click on folders in the resources tree to display their contents, and double-click folders in the content section to drill into them. You can navigate back up using the resources tree or by using the breadcrumb trail in the page toolbar. You can use the plus content button to create analytical content with Info Assist, upload files and spreadsheets, connect to data, build portals and pages, schedule procedures, and generate sample content using the options available to you for a workspace or folder that is currently selected. The page toolbar also provides the ability to sort content, switch between the tile and list views, select columns in the list view, and refresh the content section. You can use the new Workspace button and the new Folder button on top of the resources tree to add new workspaces and folders to your repository. These buttons mirror the icons for workspaces and folders that display inside the tree. When you right-click an item, a shortcut menu appears enabling you to run, edit, schedule, add to favorites, share your content, and more, depending on the type of content and your user permissions. If you don't have permission to edit a file, you can make a copy of it in the My Content folder and edit your own version there. The Application Directories area opens the Reporting Server browser interface, where you can view and manage your server environment. Here you can access your applications, configure your data adapters, control and configure your remote servers, edit configuration files, and perform many more server-related tasks. The Portals area provides access to all portals in your repository in one centralized view. There are three types of portals that can be accessed in the Portals area: Basic, Collaborative, and Designer. These types of portals are distinguished by their icons. In the tile view, Basic portals display with the vertical stack icon, while the icon for Collaborative and Designer portals shows the vertical stack inside a circle. In the List view, you can see the icons in the Type column. Designer portals display with a distinct desktop icon, while all other types of portals are represented by the circle icon. The Management Center is only available to administrators and contains tools for configuring your TIBCO WebFOCUS client and TIBCO WebFOCUS reporting server administrative options. To get data, create and configure data flows, and create new visualizations in TIBCO WebFOCUS Designer, use the plus button. This button is available in every area of the Hub. The hamburger button, located in the upper left corner, takes you to the main menu. Here you can navigate to the areas of the hub. This menu also gives you direct access to the TIBCO WebFOCUS tools, such as Info Assist, TIBCO WebFOCUS Infographics, Reportcaster Schedule Status, Reportcaster Explorer, and Magnify Search. In the right corner of the banner, you can access the Tools, Help, and User menus. Depending on your user role, it contains system tools, help resources, access to previous homepage interfaces, and the ability to change your password. To learn more, search for TIBCO WebFOCUS at docs.tibco.com.